Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best tabletop ice maker is probably one of the most convenient appliances for any home, office, or even RV, especially during hot summer days or when hosting parties, as it can churn out a steady supply of ice in a matter of minutes, eliminating the need to constantly buy bags of ice from the store or rely on a freezer's limited ice-making capacity, ensuring you always have enough ice for your beverages and chilling needs without any hassle. Number 5. Silonn Countertop Ice Maker. Craving ice? This machine makes 9 cubes in just 6 minutes. It can produce up to 26 pounds of ice per day, ensuring you're never without it. Choose between small or large ice cubes to suit your needs. Small cubes are perfect for keeping drinks and seafood chilled, while large cubes rapidly cool beverages. Enjoy your ice-making process without the noise. A smart sensor prevents overflow by stopping production when the basket is full, and the transparent lid lets you monitor the ice level. Making ice couldn't be easier. Just add water, press the on button, and select your desired ice size. Indicator lights will alert you when it's time to add water or when the ice is ready. This ice maker features a self-cleaning function for hassle-free maintenance. It also comes with an ice scoop and basket for your convenience. Whether it's for your home kitchen, office, bar, or a party, this ice maker is a versatile addition. It's designed to provide fresh, clean ice whenever you need it. What we like? This ice maker is incredibly fast, producing ice in just 6 minutes. It also offers 2 sizes of ice, perfect for chilling drinks or keeping seafood fresh. If you're looking for a versatile and convenient ice maker that's easy to maintain, this is a great choice for your home kitchen or office. What people say. Makes ice quickly and efficiently. The Countertop Ice Maker is compact and doesn't take up much space. Easy to use, just add water and plug it in. Number 4. Frigidaire EFIC 189 Silver Compact Ice Maker. Never run out of ice again. This machine can produce up to 26 pounds of clear ice cubes daily, ensuring you always have enough for any occasion. Enjoy perfectly shaped ice cubes in under 6 minutes. It can store up to 2.2 pounds of ice at once, and its simple controls make operation a breeze. Customize your ice to fit your needs. You have the flexibility to choose between 2 different ice cube sizes, perfect for any beverage. This ice maker boasts a sleek stainless steel finish that complements any kitchen. The large transparent window allows you to easily monitor the ice-making process. Its intuitive digital control panel keeps you informed. It alerts you when the ice bin is full or when water is low, ensuring seamless operation. Once ready, the indicator light flashes, and fresh ice cubes are dispensed into the included bucket. Your ice is ready to be served and enjoyed immediately. What we like? This compact option delivers a substantial amount of ice daily and features a sleek stainless steel design. If you appreciate a modern aesthetic and need a reliable ice maker for everyday use at home or in a small office, this model offers both style and function. What people say. Makes ice quickly, about 6 to 8 minutes for the first batch. The ice maker is relatively quiet during operation. Produces clear ice cubes, which is a nice aesthetic feature. Number 3. Frigidaire 26 pounds Portable Compact Ice Maker. Introducing the Frigidaire Ice Maker, designed to keep your ice supply plentiful. Its sleek stainless steel design complements any space, from your kitchen to your office. Enjoy rapid ice production with this compact machine. It creates 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes every 7 minutes, offering 2 sizes to perfectly suit any drink. Easily monitor your ice levels through the transparent window. The digital LED control panel gives you full command over settings and ice size selection. With a generous 2.1 QT water tank, you can make ice continuously without frequent refills. Cleaning is also a breeze thanks to the convenient drain plug. This ice maker comes with a bonus ice scoop for effortless ice retrieval. The interior basket holds up to 1.5 pounds of ice, ensuring you always have some ready. What we like? This ice maker is designed for convenience, producing ice quickly and featuring a large water tank for uninterrupted operation. If you frequently host gatherings or need a hassle-free ice solution with easy maintenance, its large capacity and simple cleaning process make it ideal. What people say. Makes ice quickly and efficiently. The compact design fits perfectly on my countertop. Easy to use with simple controls. Number 2. Frigidaire 26 pounds day portable ice maker. Never run out of ice again with this powerful machine. It produces up to 26 pounds of ice daily, fitting perfectly into your kitchen, bar, office, or dorm with its sleek design. Enjoy crisp, bullet-shaped ice in just minutes. This compact unit makes 9 cubes every 7 minutes, offering 2 size options for any drink or event. Easily monitor your ice production through the transparent window. The intuitive LED control panel lets you adjust settings and ice size with ultimate convenience. Its large 2.1 QT water tank means less refilling. Plus, the convenient drain plug makes emptying and cleaning a breeze. An included ice scoop makes serving simple. The interior basket holds up to 1.5 pounds of ice, ensuring you always have plenty on hand. What we like? With its stylish black stainless steel finish and portable design, this ice maker is as attractive as it is functional. If you want an ice maker that complements your decor and can be easily moved for parties or different locations, this offers a blend of aesthetics and portability. What people say. Makes ice quickly and efficiently. The Countertop Ice Maker is compact and doesn't take up much space. Easy to use, just add water and plug it in. Number 1. Countertop Ice Maker 6 minutes 9 ice. Enjoy perfectly chilled drinks in just 6 minutes. This machine crafts 9 smooth, round ice cubes every cycle, producing up to 26.5 pounds daily. It's ideal for gatherings, ensuring everyone has a refreshing beverage. Operating this ice maker couldn't be easier. It intelligently alerts you when the ice is full or when it needs more water. Simply add water, switch it on, and watch the ice form through the clear window. Experience efficient ice production with its advanced condensing fan. It operates at a whisper-quiet level, below 45 decibels, so it won't disrupt your peace. Take refreshing ice wherever you go. This compact and lightweight machine features a convenient handle, making it perfect for camping, parties, or any outdoor adventure. Maintaining your ice maker is a breeze with its self-cleaning function. Just a 5-second press of the power button initiates the cleaning cycle, ensuring your ice is always pure and healthy. What we like? This ice maker stands out with its rapid ice production and exceptionally quiet operation, ensuring it won't disrupt your environment. If you prioritize a peaceful atmosphere while still needing quick access to ice, especially for parties or everyday use, its low noise and self-cleaning capabilities are major advantages. What people say. Makes ice quickly and efficiently. The Countertop Ice Maker is compact and fits well on my limited counter space. Easy to use, just add water and plug it in. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.